Dear students, for the class 9, our today's topic is chapter 6 lines and angles, and our first question is question number 3 in exercise 6.1, and here the question is angle PQR is equivalent to PRQ in this figure. PQR and PRQ both are equal, that is the angle 1 and 2 are equal. We should give the naming of angles for our convenience, and then prove that angle PQS is the angle 3 and PRT is angle 4. So angle 1 equal to 2 is the given and angle 3 equal to 4 for the proving part. So the given part is angle 1 equal to 2, and prove that angle 3 equal to 4. It's a very simple question. Here one relation between the angle 1, 3 and 2 and 4 also, because 1 and 3 are in a linear pair and 2 and 4 are also in a linear pair. Since ray PQ stands on a line ST, so angle 1 plus 3 is 180 degree. Reason linear pair. This is the equation first. Similarly, ray PR stands on a line ST. PR is also a ray and these are stand on a line ST. So 2 plus 4 is also 180 degree. This is the equation second. For the equation first and second, both are equivalent to 180 degree. So from the equation first and second, 1 plus 3 equal to 2 plus 4. Here angle 1 and 2 are equal because it is the given part. So angle 1 and 2 are cancelled because it is given angle 1 equal to 2. So angle 3 equal to 4. This is the proving part for this question, and angle 3 and 4 are is the angle PQS and PRT. Our next question is, if x plus y equal to w plus z, x, y, z and w are 4 angles and sum of x plus y is w plus z, and prove that AOB is a line. So we should prove a straight line, and for proving the straight line, sum of all angles around at a point on a line is 180 degree, that is the linear pair, and then we can prove it is a straight line. So the given part is x plus y equal to w plus z. So first given is x plus y equal to w plus z. This is the given, and prove that AOB is a line. AOB is a line. Here we are using the properties related to the angles, and there are 4 angles, all the 4 angles around at a point. So here a property, sum of all the angles around at a point is 360 degree. Since sum of all angles around at a point is 360 degree. Therefore x plus y plus z plus w is 360 degree, and here x plus y is equivalent to w plus z. So we, in place of x plus y, we can put w plus z, and this is z plus w. it is the given part, so it is given x plus y equal to w plus z. Here z is 2 times, w is also 2 times, so twice of w plus z equal to 360, and w plus z is 360 by 2, and w plus z is 180 degree. And w plus z, these two angles, and these two angles are adjacent angles, and sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then the angles are in a linear pair. So w and z are in a linear pair. So AOB is a straight line. Our next question is, it is a very important question for this chapter. Here POQ is a line, POQ is a straight line, and here ray OR is perpendicular to PQ, and OS is another ray lying between this, and prove that angle ROS, this is the angle ROS, equal to half of the angle QOS minus angle POS, QOS and POS. So here a relation between these three angles ROS, QOS and POS, and we should prove it. And the given part is a straight line and two rays, one ray is perpendicular and another ray is OS. OR is perpendicular and OS is another ray. So for the solutions, first OR is perpendicular to PQ. Since OR is perpendicular to PQ, therefore POR and QOR in a linear pair. Equal to 180. This is the linear pair, and QOR is 90 degree. So POR is 180 minus 90, and POR is equivalent to POS plus ROS. This is the POS. POR is the sum of these two angles. So angle ROS plus POS equal to 180 minus 90 is 90 degree. And we should multiply 2 on both sides. So twice of ROS plus POS equal to 2 into 90. So twice of ROS plus twice of QPOS equal to 180 degree. This is the equation first. Here we should multiply 2 on both sides, because 90 degree can be converted into 180 degree, because our second relation is related to the 180 degree between the POS and QOS, because ROS and POS are related in this equation. And next find the relation between QOS and ROS. So here ray OS is another ray stand on a line PQ. Now ray OS stands on a line PQ. Ray OS stand on a line PQ. Therefore POS plus QOS equal to 180 degree. Its reason is linear pair. And equation second, and from the equation first and second, from equation first and second, both are equivalent to 180 degree. So twice of ROS plus twice of POS in the equation first, and it's equivalent to POS plus QoS. So twice of ROS equal to POS minus twice of POS plus QoS, and here we should subtract it. QoS is the positive, this is the twice of ROS, and POS minus twice of POS is minus POS. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So angle ROS and cross multiplied it, half of the angle QoS minus POS. This is the prove that part, because our proof part is ROS equal to half of the QoS minus POS, and this is the ROS equal to half of the QoS minus POS. In this question, one relation is between the 90 degree and another relation is between 180 degree. So we should multiply 2 in the first equation and convert it into the 180 degree, and both are equivalent. And these two equation are is related for the relation between these angles. These angles are ROS, POS and QoS. So you should do the practice of same type of question in the textbook, and if you have any queries, contact me on the my WhatsApp number.